Hi friends, Erika here, back with day 22 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is Seasons Traditions. I will be making a 12 by 12 page playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Now today I'll be documenting a story of our very first visit to the pumpkin patch as a family of 3. I absolutely love this day and it was just very memorable. So I want to use buffalo plaid paper, but I only have a little bit. So I'm trying to use this Carrie Bradford buffalo plaid stamp that I just got. I'm so excited, but unfortunately it did not work out. And I think it has to do with my stamp pad being indented in the wrong spot, because unfortunately, no matter how much I tried, it didn't work. But I think I can fake it. So I am doing this really cool diagonal design as part of the sketch, and I'm taking the buffalo plaid underneath it, and I'm just cutting out strips because it's going to go underneath the pumpkin paper, and thankfully it works. Now I know basically what colors I want to use, and one of them is green, but I don't want it to look like a Christmas layout, so I'm only stitching right down the middle of that buffalo plaid with red, and I do backstitch on all of my page sewing. I did get a question the other day, and yes, I do backstitch. So now that I'm just arranging my papers down, I am securing the ends of my stitching because I want it to last a while. Now in the original sketch there was just one cluster of 2 little photos, but I want 2 clusters because I had actually I had a difficult time even just picking between these 4 photos. So I definitely had to include at least 4. So I have this label from the skeleton paper that I used, and I'm actually going to use it as an embellishment. So I try to reuse everything as much as I can. Now for this title I did stamp Pumpkin Patch. It's also from Carrie Bradford, and I really like this alpha, but unfortunately I did not have enough room for the whole word pumpkin, so I abbreviated it and I put an apostrophe. Sorry, it's late at night, an apostrophe in between the K and the N, so hopefully you don't notice too much. And besides, the page is for our family and we know what it means, so that's the whole point, right? So lastly, I'm adding some watercolor splatters. I believe this is Lindy's Gang Magical Powder in Gold, and that's pretty much it. It was a quick page. I really like the design, I really like the colors, and now we have a special guest with a very spooky message for you all.
Much higher than she can.
Please check out the wonderful ladies participating below, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!